Technos, and let us introduce you to our SimTransXZ, our complete solution for daily rides, rentals, and outstation rides. The solution is spread on an enterprise level, and it supports a ton of stuff for you to actually get started. The web front end, we have made it quite simple, and but yet it's quite effective and plain clear. And moreover, these days people are more willing to use apps rather than web. Now, getting into the admin panel to give you an insight actually how powerful it is. You're just going to get inside the system. You can see the demo details is already put up for you to check. And we are going to use the same. So once you get into the system, it has geolocation, it has dispatcher panel, it has geofencing. Along with this, the other things which you get exactly is the service types, which is something which is going to interest you. You can see there are multiple service types, and there are options for rentals where you have rentals for each and every stuff. So, like for example, we are pretty sure we have created rental somewhere. Uh, you can set up times, you can set up promo codes, you can set up the documents required, you can have multiple payment gateway settings. You have the option for Stripe and Cash. Many other are already supported, which we can add for you. So getting to the service types, which is the most interesting part of this. So I'll just open up the settings for you to actually, you can have a clear insight actually how it works. So just a sec, sir. We are just doing in real time, so you people can see that we have locked up the mode, so a lot of people test it, so they try to even change the images and stuff. So we're just trying to avoid that, and we have put up a clear picture for everyone to see. So we'll just disable the demo mode so you can actually see in real time how it looks like and how it's going to work for you. So you understand the rental systems and outstation systems, and you define the night stay charges, and you define everything almost. So that way it becomes easier for anyone to actually run the system. And this is quite a complete system in itself. So we have just disabled the demo mode, so you can see now you have all the options. So when you go to any of the particular category, so you can see you can set up the pricing logic, you can set up the outstation fare, you can define the seat capacity, you can define the outstation one-way price per kilometer, you can outstation round price per kilometer. On top of that, you have the driver bata. Driver bata stands for your driver charges per night for the night stays. Then this is your rental per hour, your rental per hour packages, your city-wise pricing. So it's like a lot of things in one single package. Other than that, you define a lot of other settings in the site settings where you go. You can see you can put up your logos and everything. You can set up your details. You can put up your Facebook. You put up your Android, your message line on authority key, your contents, your limit message, your outstation content. It's like packed up, but we have kept it quite simple for you to actually manage it and run it. It's quite a simple system, but it's quite powerful somehow. Uh, After this, we'll be putting up a video demo of the app so you have a clear picture how exactly it works in real time. Thanks for your patience. We really appreciate it. And please do watch the other part of it where you can see the apps. So it's just going to start now. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are introducing you to our SimTransXZ apps, the web and the admin which you have seen before. We are showing you the apps now. Here on the left hand side, you can see this is the user app. On the right hand side, we're opening up the driver app. You can see the apps are quite responsive. They're loading up pretty fast. These colors and designs can be changed up to your liking. No problem at all. Now, getting inside the app, we already have the demo credentials. So we're just going to log in. and you will have your time to actually check it up and understand actually how it works and on. So we already have the demo apps online for you, but this is just to give you a clear picture how it exactly works. We have our demo credentials, we're putting it up to give you a clear insight how actually it looks like and how it actually works in real time. So the user app is already logged in, and the driver app is we are going to log in now. You can see the user app has already logged in and has taken up the current location, whereas the driver app is also going online and is asking for the permission for the drawer background. So it can have its own icon over the screen. So it's more like you have an icon like this. So whenever you want to go to the app, you can simply get in there. So as you see, this is the user app. In the user app, you have an option for daily rides. You have the option for outstation rides, as well as you have option for the rentals. And you can have multiple car types and different packages for everything. This is the basic navigation menu. So we'll just do a basic ride first to just to give you an idea actually how it works. So we can actually manually select a location or we can put up a location in here. So you can put up the location and it will show you the available car type and stuff. And you can see the pricing, what will be the price estimate. You can see the ride request has come. So we're going to accept the ride request, just a demo run for you to see. You can see the push notifications are instantaneous. And let's do some chat with the guy. You can see the driver is notified about the chat and they can chat with one another using the chat system. So it comes in real time as well. Now, getting back to the trip, this is just because of the development mode. Actually, we have put up a demo mode, so actually, at times this causes an issue. But don't worry about it. It's not going to be there in your real-time app because in the demo, the demo mode actually restricts the data to be entered in the system. So we are just enforcing system to actually get it done. That's all. So you can see the confirm payment amount has come, and both the phones are notified at the same time. You can see the ride is completed. You can give ratings to one another, and this is as good as done. The same way, you can book up rentals as well, and there is a spot booking system. So, like on the road, if you want to actually, like you are waiting, looking for a cab, and there is a spot booking, so you can actually do a spot booking. So the driver can actually book the uh, cab for the user in real time. And just he needs to put. So that's pretty much sums up the solution. You're free to try our demos and have a look into it, and you can, if it fits your need, you can definitely go ahead with our solution. Thank you so very much for your time and patience. Really appreciate it.